areas in and around the Hermit's Peak and Canyon Burn Scar. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include El Porvenir, Montezuma, Sapeo, Tierra Monte, Carinas, Mineral Hill, Rosiana, Manuelitas, and San Geronimo. This includes the following highways: State Road 94 between mile markers 1 and 9. State Road 518 between mile markers 10 and 16. State Road 283 between mile markers 7 and 12 and near mile marker 14. State Road 276 between mile marker 0 and 5. State Road 266 between mile marker 0 and 6. State Road 65 between mile markers 1 and 4. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall.